Have you ever bought something and almost immediately thought, why did I just spend money on that? Maybe it was a late night Amazon purchase. Maybe it was something that was on sale that was just too good to pass up. If you've ever been there, you are definitely not alone. Today, I want to share with you 3 simple questions that can help you make wiser decisions before you spend. These are just practical questions that will help us slow down, think clearly, and spend more intentionally. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah, and this is It's All His. On this channel, we talk about biblical stewardship, debt freedom, and practical money tips to live below our means, because we want to manage money God's way. And if that sounds like something that would encourage you, I'd love if you would subscribe and join this community that we're building here, so we can cheer each other on as we try to be wise stewards. All right, let's jump in. Question number 1. Do I need this, or do I simply want this? Now, I am not saying Christians are not able to buy stuff that they want. Of course you can. God gives us good gifts to enjoy, and we are allowed to enjoy them. But there is a difference between a need and a want. And we will always be better stewards when we are able to discern that difference clearly. It is so easy to blur the line and convince ourselves, I am speaking from experience, that clear want is something that I need. Neither category is wrong. We just need to be really honest with ourselves about which one we're dealing with when we're making buying decisions. When I pause and ask myself this question, it usually stops me in my tracks. It forces me to realize, are emotions driving this purchase? Am I frustrated and annoyed because I feel like I have nothing to wear? I'm wearing the same stuff over and over again. Am I having this bad hair day and that product that they say is gonna fix it, I need it right now? Do I have fear of missing out? What is driving my desire to make that purchase in the moment? Is it a need or is it a want? The second question I ask is, what am I giving up to buy this thing? Most people don't think this way, but every purchase that you make has an opportunity cost. Every dollar that you spend in one place is a dollar you could have spent, saved, used for goals, done something else with. So in other words, when you say yes to one purchase, you are saying no to something else. And that something else might be, often is, the wiser, more faithful thing that we should be doing with that money. It's God's money. That $40 impulsive dinner out could have been used to pay off debt. That extra subscription that you decided to get and forgot to cancel could have been money every month that's going into your emergency fund. Every dollar needs to be assigned to do something. That's what faithful stewardship is taking those dollars, they're God's dollars, He's given them to you to manage for a time, and you get to boss them around. And how you boss them around really does show your heart for stewardship. Never saying you can't go out to dinner, never saying you can't make fun purchases, but did you think about the actual cost? Did you compare your goals and make the decision that is the most faithful to hit the overall goals, rather than just give in to the feelings of the moment? If you find that this video is helping you think a little differently about your spending, would you go ahead and hit that like button? It will really help the video reach more people. I would so appreciate it. All right, the third question is, will I still be glad that I bought this a week, a month, a year from now? This question helps us shift our mind from that immediate gratification, like I need this thing now, to the bigger picture of our finances and where we want to be next month, next year, when it comes to our financial goals. Because if we're honest, we know some purchases lose their shine pretty quickly. And already we're looking for that next thing. The thrill wears off as soon as the package arrives. That outfit stops being trendy in the next 6 months, and now you need something else. Items end up in drawers, they end up donated, they end up just being clutter, and we're on to the next thing. But other purchases are wiser. They add value to our lives. There are things that we look back on and say, I'm so glad I bought that. I have been able to get so much use out of it, and I'm continuing to do so. Items like that continue providing value to us or help us hit our goals. Proverbs 21:5 talks about the plans of the diligent versus the outcome of the hasty. Haste leads to poverty is what we learn in that verse. Haste, impulse, it's expensive. It adds up. And when a lot of our purchases are made that way, without stopping to pause and ask ourselves some important questions, we are really not being wise stewards. And we're not going to see success with our long-term goals. So next time you are tempted to click buy it now, ask yourself these 3 questions. Do I need it or do I want it? What am I giving up to buy this? And will I still be glad that I bought it a month from now, a year from now? These are simple questions, but if you get into the habit of training your brain to think this way when you're tempted, to impulse shop, when you're tempted to break your budget, things can change in a really dramatic way. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments which of these 3 questions most resonated with you. And if you would like to talk more about managing money to the glory of God, I will put a playlist right over here that will help you do just that. And I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.